யார் நானா இது? ரோட்ல ஒரு நாய் ஒன்று அடிபட்டு கிடக்குமா, பார்க்கறது பாவமா இருக்குமா. சின்ன நாய் வீட்டுக்கு எடுத்து வரவா? வேணாம். ஏம்மா?
Didi, Didi, come here, Didi. Come, Didi, come, Didi. How are you? What do you want? You want to eat? What do you want? You want to play, is it? Naughty fellow. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? See this ball? See? Didi, come here. Hi. Hello. Oi, okay. Hi. Okay. Go get it, Didi. Go, Didi. Didi. What happened?
Enough is enough, Pinto. I don't want the flat hearing about this. Stop playing with that freak.
Come, Didi. Come fast. Walk straight, Didi. Come, let's go. Come. Do you want the ball, Didi? Do you want it? Run for it, Didi. Come, run, fast.
What have you decided?
Rules are rules.
What do you mean?
There's no one here who has pets. We can't break rules. Ramaswamy had a dog. He had to let it go. Mrs. Jayanti, she had a cat. She had to let it go. I mean, look at this guy. Look, what's with his tail, yaar? He's a stray dog. I don't want to be associated with something like this.
Sleep. Come. Let's sleep. Come. Sleep, Didi. Sleep. Come. Sleep. Sleep now. Come. Good boy. Sleep.
Where are we going to drop him?
We'll find a place.
This is your idea. You should have thought about a place, right?
Rimpa will put him in the streets. He'll be happy there, yeah. Shouldn't be a problem, yeah. Rimpa, there's so many like him on the streets. Don't worry.
God, he's looking at me. I feel so bad for him.
Why are you feeling bad for that? He's anyway gonna go. See, he's fine.
Sorry, baby.
He'll come around. He's a little boy after all. Come on. Come fast. Waste of time. Come on. Come here. Come.
Didi. 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 Didi.
You have to talk to Pinto.
Yeah, I will.
You have to talk to Pinto now.
Of course. I will. I will.
Mom, where's Didi?
Didi,
Where is Didi? 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 Where is he?
talk to him. Talk to him now.
Where are you?
See what he's doing. Call him
Didi?
here.
Hang on, yaar. In a bit.
Didi? Mom, where is he? Where's Didi?
Talk to him at least now.
Where's Didi?
Didi is gone. The flats don't allow dogs here. He's gone.
What?
I have given him away. He's gone.
Mom, what is this? Mom, what is this? Where is Didi?
I
Where
told
is
you
he?
now that
What
Didi is
have you
gone.
done
Why are
to
you
him?
asking her? Why
Where
are you
have you
troubling her?
left
Stop
him?
this, yaar.
Where
Enough is
is
enough.
he?
I make the
It's
rules.
not worth it. You're not supposed to keep pets here.
Where is he? I can't believe this. I'm gonna go find him.
Go do what you want.
This is what you wanted, right? Pinto, wait,
Why
Pinto.
did you do this, Ma?
Pinto, wait.
எங்கே போனோம்?
Chetpet.
और क्या कर रही है बोल। मेरे बारे में सोच रही है? झूठ मत बोल साली। ओए शू, एक कुत्ता यार तंग कर रहा है इधर बगल में। ओए शू, 1 minute, I'll just call you back.
யார் நாயனா இது?
Where did you leave him?
This is the lane where we dropped him.
Didi! Didi, where are you? Didi! Didi!
மா,
Didi!
ரோட்ல ஒரு நாய் ஒன்று அடிபட்டு கிடக்குமா. பார்க்கறது
Where are
பாவமா
you?
இருக்குமா. சின்ன நாய் வீட்டுக்கு எடுத்து வரவா?
Didi!
ஏம்மா? சரி 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 சரி, நான் அப்புறமா பேசுகிறேன் வைங்க.
It's okay.
Why did you do this, Ma? Do you see that? What do you want, huh? Mwah. Hi. What do you want? You want to play? Hi. Come, let's go. Didi. Good boy. Sleep, sleep.